As in everything last we say I no get money.
But I'm gonna dive into you.
Vivian, say hi.
And it will be alright. So let me fly around with joy to let this feeling.
Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. How is everybody doing? So yeah, today I am going to, I don't know if it's another vlog I am starting up today, but I'm actually going to market. I'm going to JHERI market today. I want to go and buy foodstuffs. I'm not going to the shop today. I woke up very late and I had so many things to do, so I'm going to JHERI market today to go buy foodstuffs, and then after that I'm going to cook. I want to cook. I think I can be able to cook like 2 different soups today. So yeah, let me take you guys to JHERI market. I pray I'll be able to film the video. So I was on the traffic, so the traffic light now is on green, so I'm moving and I cannot be filming while I am moving because I'm using my hands as a tripod. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys much later. Bye.
But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I tried, but what can I do? And it will be alright. So let me fly around with joy to let this feeling slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
Are you going to talk to them? Ablasis, come on, come on, come on.
Guys, I just want to show you this tomato. I just came back from market, so I bought things so expensive and I decided to show you guys this tomato. Usually this tomato I used to get it for like 1,000, 1,200. That was like, let's say, ending of last year, but now this tomato for 3,500. Can you guys imagine? So over here I have tatashe pepper. So 3,500 is for like one basket. So see, this is one basket and I bought it for 3,500 naira. Maybe what we'll start doing now is just to be eating vegetables, just like the lady that sells yam. What she told me, she said is to be eating vegetables. So, and then I bought yam that I used to buy for 3,000. I bought the yam for, wait, let me bring it out. So this size of yam I used to buy 5 of it for like 3,000, 3,500, but I bought this particular set for 5,000 naira, 5 of them. So that means one for 1,000, one for 1,000. So I bought for 5,000 naira. Things are really expensive. I took about 30,000 naira to the market and I could not even, when I finished buying it, like I was so surprised. I was asking myself, what did I buy with 30,000 naira? So right now I'm preparing 2 different soups. The whole place is dark because there is light, but the light in the kitchen is bad. So I'm preparing 2 different soups. I'm preparing see, very dark. I'm preparing oha soup and ogbono soup this side, ogbono soup this side, oha soup this side. So, and I am like, you know, trying to get to wash the oha leaves. You guys pardon the whole darkness. So I use my today to prepare 2 soup. Today Monday. So this is oha soup and this is ogbono soup. 2 different soup. So next now I'm just going to blend tomatoes and then cook, like parboil it very well, then put it in the freezer. That will be the next thing I'm going to do. My sister is pounding yam. Vivian, the YouTuber. Vivian, say hi. Yes, no. This is what we are going to eat for dinner. Our dinner meal or soup. So all the soup now they're all in this place. I'm going to allow them to cool off for me to put them in the freezer. And And this is the tomatoes. I am parboiling the tomato. After this, I will allow it to cool as well and then put it in the freezer. That's how I preserve it for like a month. So we use this tomato for like a month. So if I want to prepare stew, we just bring it out and just prepare the stew very fast. So yeah. Hello everyone, good morning. Good morning to everybody today. I can't remember the last time I vlogged, but I want to be vlogging like consistently now. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can really see me. So if you don't know, I have a hairline. And I want you guys to go and check my hairline out. Check all the hairs I have, just in case you want to buy hair. They are quality hairs. So yeah, I just want to come up here and rant a little bit before my car warms. I want to rant though, it's not easy. That's not be easy on my side though. This entrepreneur thing is not easy, I swear to God. Like, I've not gotten clothes these days. It's difficult for me to even go out because I'm always looking for what to wear. I don't have clothes any longer. I can't remember the last time I bought some stuff for myself. I can't just remember at all. All this while I've been saving money to open my salon and also for the hair line as well. So I can't remember the last time I bought some stuff for myself, like clothes and all. And now it's just difficult. Like, everything is just hard because dollar rate is high now. And to get stuff safe is even hard. For me safe to even get stuff, I don't have, the truth is I don't have money. As in everything last we say I don't get money to buy clothes. That's the truth. I don't have money. Oh, God, please provide for me. So today, what I have to do today is I am going to, I don't know why I keep bringing this thing out. So I'm going to Wuse Market today. I'm going to go and get okay, someone requested that I should make a hairband wig. So there's this stuff I want to go and get. I forgot what they even called it for me yesterday. What's the name again? It's me, I'm so hot. Glue also. I'll show you guys later. So yeah, that's where I'm going to today. I'm going to Wuse Market to get that stuff so that I can make the hairband wig. So she requested I make like 2 hairband wigs for her. So I'm going to be doing that today. I think that will be what I'll be doing today. Then if I have any customer to make their hairs today, I'm also going to do that as well. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today, basically. Nothing serious, just well, I can't get over the fact that I cannot buy clothes because I am broke. I want to be slaying now. Oh God. So yeah, I'm just loving myself this morning. I'm looking good, guys. I'm looking good. Ooh, I'm looking good. Period. It's a period, you know. And again, who is watching BB Nigeria? I started watching them on Sunday. I didn't watch them yesterday because I was very busy yesterday. So on Sunday I watched. I'm liking Chichi sort of, but let's just see how it goes. Let's see. Chichi and Chomzi. There's another girl in that house that is giving, I think, Amaka. She's giving this kind of serious, bossy kind of attitude, you know. So I think I'm liking Amaka, Chichi, the funny guy, yes. Let me not forget, I'm also liking the funny, the cute, you know, cute Yoruba nigga.
Maybe I'll drown. What can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We go.
From the Wuse Market. So I was supposed to buy, I forgot what the name of this state is, what she called it, but this is what it looks like. This and this as well. I don't know if you guys saw this. This is So we'll be attaching this and this together. Did you see that? So this is quite expensive though. This is about 5,000 naira. That's what I got it. Hook and loop. So I'm going to be using it for, I feel like I just wasted money because I don't know how many wigs I'll be doing with this stuff. So it cost about 5,000 naira, like I said before. So I'm going to be using it for hairband wig. So my mind is just telling me that I just wasted money, 5,000 naira this morning. But anyway, Sha, let's go. Anyhow, just to make my customer happy, Sha. That's why.
But I'm gonna dive into you. Maybe I'll drown. What can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on
The next day.
All of them. I for even check on myself. Just keep on. Hello guys, welcome back again to the vlog. So we are going to be vlogging today. So hello guys, welcome back again to Omo. Una dey try yo. This camera is so heavy. I'm using Canon M50. So I just pray that God provides money for me to buy a smaller camera so that I can be vlogging. Because the camera is heavy, that's why I've not been vlogging. So this is 2 to 3. So I'm about to make like wigs. A customer brought about plenty, let's say 4 to 5 wigs for me to make, and all of them are going to be hairband wigs. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do today. My girl is over here. Here you say hi. Hi. She has been my girl for like how many years now?
Like 5 years.
Hey, you leave me, go marry. Why you dey laugh? Not true now. See all the hairstyles you guys have been seeing. Most of the hairstyles you guys have been seeing. This is the hand behind it. This hand. See, let me show you the hand so that you will know that she's the one behind. Bring down your hand again. Bring the hand. Yeah. See. Is this hand though? Either you see this hand or you see this hand. So it's just the both of us that have been doing it. So she got married, left, and then she came back. That one is story for another day. So yeah, today we are making wigs. We are going to be making plenty wigs. I came here today. I came late today because I had errands to run, like plenty errands. So I'm just coming sort of. So today, like I said before, we as well watching Big Brother while we are going to be making it. So you guys are going to be making the wigs with us. So if you want to learn, you can just let me know in the comment section below, or you can send me, like if you want a personal class, you can send me a DM on Instagram, or we have a website. I told you guys already, www.xpressionsignature.com. You can go there to make inquiries as well and also contact us. So yeah, you guys are just going to be watching us make wigs. Okay, I pray I'll be able to make like 3 wigs today. Mary, oh yeah, I'll come to carry this camera. Yeah? Drop them here.
You go stand.
Go stand, see. I'm going to show you. Do it like this.
Yeah. You far?
I don't like them. Stand here. On top of that, this one.
I'm going to keep this.
Well, make a mission. Let's say bend. No, now, wait. Okay,
No, no come fall.
you don't go fall. Turn up now. I don't see myself. See, it bend like this. Ah, Mary. All these years, baby. All these years. If they ask you, say, how
bend now? Now they like bend, I think
if they ask you, Mary, do you know how to set camera? Mary, you go say no because you don't know anything about camera. But every time, me and you do camera. Every time we do camera. Yes, now that's what was doing.
dive into you. Maybe I'll drown.